Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. Guys, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In my channel, I love to do a glam tablescape, home decorating, also a little bit of DIYs, shop with me, thrifting hauls, and a lifestyle blogger. Also, I always do mixing my tablescape with all the different patterns and colors. So if you're into like this kind of content, this channel is for you. Today everyone, I'm redecorating my upstairs loft, which is very glam. So my inspiration over here is the butterfly that has a really bold colors, and I'm inspired to redecorate this area. Please continue to watch and don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave me a comments. And let me know if you like what I did here in this loft.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, you
Everyone, don't forget to tune in on Tuesday. Me and Chanel we are having a close collaboration, and this one is Spring to Easter tablescape, and this one is different styling ideas. And on Wednesday, everyone, me and Winter's Lab Luxury by N, we also have a close collab, and this one will be a rustic Easter tablescape. And next Friday, again, we are having a close collaboration with Styled by Miss Linda and some of other ladies that I have a close collab last week, so stay tuned.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know.
Guys, let me know if you like what I did over here. Do you think this color is you would like to try this one? So you know that all the time I always play around with colors. You will see that all the time here in my channel.
It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care, I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty.
Also guys, stay tuned. I will be having a Spring and Easter house tour, and I think this is the very first house tour that I'm going to make.
Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
So this loaf right here is a part of this house tour, and I'm going to do some tweak on it to become an Easter.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you guys like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos, you will be notified.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let it go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.